शलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिकाकांत राधाकांत नमोस्तुते। सप्तकांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी शोभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। ओम वृंदावै तुलसी देवै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्तवत्यै नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासदि श्री गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। First of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances and to lotus feet of my Gurupad Bodhmu, Nitya Pravishtam Vishnupad, Astutara Satmad Bhakti Vedanta Silavaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Pravishtam Vishnupad, Astutara Satmad Bhakti Vedanta Silavaman Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously, I offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam to the feet of Nitya Vishnupad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Bhaktivedanta Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnava missionaries, and presented all of my respectful guests. क्या बोला था वो लास्ट टाइम क्या बोला था? कल कल तो हिंदी में भी बोला था। हाँ वो तो थोड़ा बहुत कीर्तन करते हैं। उच्चतन कीर्तन देखते हैं बड़ा बड़ा नहीं क्या बोला था? क्या बोला था याद नहीं। कब actually I also told in previous class from Chaitanya Chaitamritam, राय कहे धीर ललित प्रभु कोई जानो कृष्ण राधा प्रेम तत्व सुनिते चाहिए द्वार विलास महत्व राय कोई कृष्ण है धीर ललित निरंतर काम क्रीड़ा जहार चरित रात्रि दिने कुंज क्रीड़ा करी राधा संगे कोई सोर सफल कोई लो काम क्रीड़ा रंगे। तो चैतन्य महाप्रभु asked to Rayananda, I want to know about Radha Krishna Prema Tattva. And also Sunita Chahi Duhar Bilas Mahatma. And they are Bilas, how they perform their different kinds of Aramat pastime. So that time Rayaramanda he told Krishna Hoy Dhir Lalit. Krishna is called Dhir Lalit Nath. And Nirantar Kam Kida Jahar Charit. Krishna always performing with Aramas pastimes with Gopi because it's called Dhir Lalit Nayak. Because who is called Dhir Lalit Nayak, he has four qualifications. Vidabdha, Navatarunna, Parihas, Visarad, Nischintito, Dhir Lalita, Sato Praya, Prayasi Vaso. Parihas, Visarad. He is very expert to how to laughing and joking. Navatarunno and always ever fresh and newly beautiful form. And Nischintato and completely free from all kinds of anxiety or Sat Praya and by his console. रात्रि कुंज बिड़ा परिराधा संगे कोई सफल कैल रंगे and day and night Krishna he performs kunja kida with Srimati Radhika. In this way Krishna successful is useful and बीड़ा सुचित सर्वरी कला प्रगल्भयम राधिकं बिड़ा पुंजितो लोचनं वेच असौ तद दक्षुरुचिर चित्र केली मकरी पंडित पारंगतः ओइसर सपरी करोति करयन कुंजे विहारं हरि. In this way, even Krishna, how is expert to perform many kinds of the art kala on the body of Srimati Radhika. Even sometimes Krishna, when he spoke this katha in front of the Sakhis, that time Srimati Radhika, she became very shy. And in this way, Krishna says that Koisarang Safali Karoti Kalayan Kunje Viharam Hari. प्रभु कहे ये है आगे कह रहा राय कहे यह वही बुद्धि नहीं यार. When Lord Chaitanya, when Rayaramanda told this katha, then Rayaramanda he told, I cannot speak more because this is called Prem Vilas Vivarta. And in the transcendental world of Prajna Siddhigat, Vilas, that is called the Prem Vilas Vivarta. Vivarta, there are two meanings of Vivarta. Vivarta means that is called illusion. Sometimes you are going, then you are thinking one rope, you are thinking that is snake. And so Vivarta mane Brahm or Prem Vilas Vivarta. Prem Vilas Vivarta, that means the prem when they are meeting to each other, they completely forget to each other's I am enjoyer or enjoyee. And Vilas means, Vivarta means also that is called whirlpool, mane Ghurnaman, whirlpool. eh. तो राय का यह कोई बुद्धि नहीं यार, जेवा प्रेम विलास विवर्त एक है, कहा सुनी तुम्हार सुख किन है किना। ये तो बोली आपने के गीत कई गाइल, प्रेमे पड़ू प्रभु सहस्तितार मुख अच्छा दिल। Then Rai Ramananda, he also recited a one slok from his own grantha that is called Jagannath Vallabh Natakam. Git that is called here. Pahile rag nayan bhanga bhera anudina badala abudina gelo naso raman naham ramani duha moh mano bhega pesalo jani. एक है सखी ये सब प्रेम काहिनी कानुठा में कोई भी बिचुरु रो जानी ना खोजलू दुती ना खोजलू आन दुहे मिलने मध्य पंजबान अब सोई विराग तुहु भेली दुती सुपुरुख प्रेम ओई छन रीति। And this Kadai Ramananda, he also sang this song. पहिले नयन भंग भेलो। When Srimati Radhika she told, when just I met with my beloved Krishna, and just the blinking the eyelids, buffering my eyelids, then and both we completely bounded with the prem. Till पहिले राग नयन भंग भेलो अनुदिन बारलो अबुदिना गेलो, and this prem continue increase and never decrease. ना सो रमणी ना हम ना सो रमन ना हम रमणी दुह मनोभव पेश लो जानी. Now they are prem completely in to going to upper stage that is called unto ceiling. And then our mind, both mind completely mixed together and could not to divided. नासो रमन नाहम रमनी दुह मनो भव पेश रजानी. Then our two mind now mixed together in one. That means two bodies and two bodies, one mind. And here Amrit Prabha Bhashya, Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur explained. And Baul Sampradaya, they also manifest one grantha that is called Prem Vilas, Vivarta Prem Vilas. Jagadananda Pandit, he wrote one Prem Vivarta grantha, and Rai Ramananda, he wrote Prem Vilas Vivarta. Prem Vivarta and Prem Vilas Vivarta. Or another grantha that is called Vivarta Vilas grantha, that is called Baul Sampradaya. Now coming three granthas, look like same. Baul Sampradaya, that is called Upper Sampradaya. Aul Baul Karta, Aul Baul Karta, Nada Neri Durga, this is called Upper Sampradaya. Baul Sampradaya also they wrote this grantha that is called Prem, that is called Vivarta Vilas grantha. That is called that is not perfect grantha, that is called the material their love. And Baul Sampradaya, they also enjoying the sense gratifications. And so for this regard, this grantha completely rejected. A Jagadananda Pandit, Prem Vivarta grantha, and Prem Vivarta, that is called the Prem and completely what is called whirlpool with their love and affection, as like when sometimes in the river of the ocean and making one that is called whirlpool. So in the same way, Radha Krishna's Prem Vivarta. Rayananda, he wrote this grantha and that is called Prem Vilas Vivarta. Prem Vilas Swarup, Prem Vilas Tattva. That is called the Vipralambha and Milan. In this Grantha, Jagadananda Pandit, he wrote this Grantha, Prem Vilas, no, Prem Vibhavata. That is Vipralambha, Vipralambha, increase how to meeting, because our Shastra is saying this, no bina Vipralambheno, Sambhog Pusti, without Vipralambha, Sambhog meeting will not increase. But the Vipralambha, that is called Prem Vilas Vivarta. And that is also coming in the stage of Adhiruda Mahabhav. अर्थात विच्छेद काले अधिरूढ़ भाव बसत संभोग भावे वो संभोगे स्फूर्ति. When lover and beloved or Nayak and Naika becoming in the stage of Adhiruda Mahabhav, that time sometimes they are meeting together but feeling separation to each other. That is also Prem Vaichitta. When you are used to go Brajamandal Parikrama and in the place of what is it called? Prem Sarovar. One Srimati Radhika, she is sitting on the lap of Krishna. So Radha and Krishna, both are very completely absorbed with their divine love. And Krishna, he also looking Srimati Radhika's lotus face. In the meantime, one black bee and thinking, oh, this is not the face of Srimati Radhika, maybe one very nice, beautiful blossom lotus. So that black bee again and again tried to on the lotus face of Srimati Radhika. Then Krishna, that means the black bee disturbed Srimati Radhika. Then according to instruction of Krishna, the Madhumangal, he took one stick and also इसके विताड़ित कर देते हैं. कृष्ण Madhumangal sent to be away. And Madhumangal also chasing behind the black bee. Then after a few minutes when Madhumangal he returned back and told to Krishna, the Madhumangal chala gaya, kabhi nahi, Madhusudan chala gaya. The black bee's one name is called also Madhusudan. Krishna's one name is called also Madhusudan. Madhusudan means Madhu Sudayati iti Madhusudanam. There is many meanings of Madhu means Krishna's one name is called Madhusudan. Krishna, he killed one demon. His name was called also Madhudaita. So for this regard, Krishna's name is also called Madhusudan. Sudayati, destroy or kill. And another Madhusudan meaning also Krishna, he also always rallies him by collecting the honey from the lotus. For this regard, his name is called also Madhusudan. Another Madhusudan, Krishna always performing sweet aromas pastimes with Srimati Radhika and Gopis Rasa Sadhan. But Srimati Radhika, she is taking this Madhusudan means Krishna. The Krishna went away and never returned back. So when Srimati Radhika heard these things, Madhusudan and went away and never returned back. Still Srimati Radhika, she is on the lap of Krishna, but she is thinking the Madhusudan went away. Then Srimati Radhika with her viraha, Viched, then crying Ha Krishna and fainted. Then Krishna pacified to her, put some water in her mouth and this way. And then when Srimati Radhika, she returned back her consciousness. So this Lila Krishna is thinking, still I am with Srimati Radhika, but Srimati Radhika is thinking I am not with her. Actually, Krishna left Vrindavan to Mathura. Actually, this is also one reason. And our Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad also explained. And that means in Vipralamba Dasha, and sometimes there are Furti coming of Milan, or sometimes in Milan Dasha, sometimes Furti is coming in Vipralamba. So here Bichet এবং অধীর মহাভাব ভাগবত সম্ভোগ স্ফূর্তি রায়নন্দ এই রসে সঙ্গীত একটি গান না করতে মহাপ্রভু. Then when Rayaramanda he sang this song, and that time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu covered his mouth and with his own hand. Then he said, Naso Raman Naham Ramani Duha Mono Bhavo Duha Mono Bhavo Mono Bhavo Pes Rajani. ये सखी ये सब प्रेम कहानी काम ठाने को ही बिछुड़ जानी. Now Srimati Radhika, now she is remembering the sweet past times. When we meet with our beloved Krishna, how we meet to each other, but they can, but they, Krishna, how possibly forget our these types of prem? Here Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada also explains, Radha Krishna's Leela, that is called Nitya Sarup, internet, that is called transcendental and eternal. But human being, they cannot understand this in types of Leela. And मानव रचित धर्मशास्त्र वो अपराकित दर्शन शास्त्र जे आकाश पाताल वेद वर्तमान. Here also Prabhupada in his commentary Anubhasya he explained, mundane people their conception and transcendental conception completely different, and sometimes they cannot understand what is the Prem Vilas Divartha. And Prem Vilas that is called transcendental. And here also explain the this is called the Achinta Tattva. Naso Raman Naham Ramani. That is called Achinta Tattva. Here give an example. Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada explained, থালার ভিতর যেরূপ স্বস্তির অবস্থান সংকুলন হয় না, তদ্রূপ আরোহবাদী তাণ্ডব অথচ নিতান্ত লঘু বিক্রম ক্রমে ও প্রাকৃত অনুভূতি অপ্রাকৃত অনুভূতি অসম্ভব. Here Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada explained this prema vivarta katha. Mundane people cannot understand. Give an example. How possible one big elephant sits on the small plate? थाली के ऊपर कैसे रह सकता है? नहीं रह सकता. किंतु अपरागित in transcendental world, then everything is possible. Because impossible possible, possible impossible. Because Lord is called Honor Oniyan Mahatu Mayan. And he can manifest his big form, and simultaneously he can manifest his very smallest form also. Because Achinta Tattva. So for this regard, our Acharyas explain in this way. Krishna, who is Brahma, he is called Sagata, Sajatiya, Bijatiya, Bhed Rahit Brahma. Brahma means he is what? Sagata, Sajatiya, Bhed Rahit. Bhed Rahit means there are no differences. Sagata, Sajatiya, Sagata means all his transcendental limbs and body, non-different come to each other. That means Lord, he can perform all his activities with his any limbs and body. Eh, You cannot discriminate. That means Srimad Brahma Samhita very clearly explains this verse. The verse. eh, Angani jasya sakala indriya vittimanti pasanti panti kalanti. That verse. Eh, The Sagata Sajatiya. Sagata means all his limbs and body cannot perform. It can perform everything. And conditional soul, but the jivas, only his eyes can see. But Bhagavan, Brahma, here Brahma means Brahma sabde mukhatte kahe Bhagavan. Here Brahma is principal meaning. That is called saying Bhagavan. So Brahma sabde mukhatte kahe Bhagavan. And he is unique and unparalleled. No one equal to him. How possible? Who will be higher than him? So here all his limbs and body. And that means Brahma, that means Bhagavan, all his limbs and body can perform and any kinds of activities. With his eyes, he can walk. With his eyes, he can eat. With his eyes, he can see. But Jiva Tattva is not possible. So that is called Sagata. There is a Bhed Rahita. There are no difference. All his limbs and Sajatiya. Sajatiya means all the incarnation of Lord. That is Ram, Krishna, Vishnu, all they are non-different from him. Because Krishna is Bhagavan. Lord is one. Ekameva Dvityam. Ekameva Advityam. He is one and non-dual, without second. He is one. Ekameva Dvityam. So same Krishna, he manifested many forms. रामादि मूर्तिषु कला नियमन तिष्ठन नाना अवतारो नाना अवतार. So there are no difference between Ram, Krishna, Hari, and same. And another also evidence Shastra gives this way. Siddhanta Tattva Vedesu Opi, according to the conception of the scripture, there are no difference between Ram, Krishna, Nishringa, Matsya Kurma. All the Vishnu Tattva is non-different from Krishna. But according to Rasavichar and some Rasavishishtya, Krishna is called Dhir Lalit Nayak, and he is releasing all kinds of rasas from the heart of his devotee. And in Guru Vrindavan, and same Krishna he mentioned in Vaikuntha, that time he is called Narayan. And or same Krishna he manifests in the form of Ramchandra in Ayodhya, or same Krishna he manifests in Mathura or Dwaraka. So according to Rasatattva Vichar, there are some difference. And Krishna is called, before we also heard, the Krishna is always Dhir Lalitanayak, he is always in his mind, and day and night he is releasing the Prema Bihar Rasa Madhurya from the heart of his gopis. Because just we also read this verse, the Ratri Dine Kunja Kida Kare Radha Sange, Koisur Vaya Safal Koila Kam Kida. The other incarnation of Krishna, they have one thing, they are always they absorb in their Bhagavat Sarup. Bhagavat Sarup means I am the Supreme Lord. But Krishna, Bhajanandan Samsundar Krishna, and though he is also absorbed in Bhagavan, but his Bhagavata always covered with Madhurjata. So for this regard, Jogmaya makes forget his Bhagavata. So for this regard, Krishna himself told, Amyo Najani Najane Gopigan Duha Rupe Gune Duha Hari Mor Man. Krishna says, I don't know who am I, and gopis also they don't know who are they. Just they also is attracted to each other. That means Radha and gopis and Krishna, they also attracted to each other as like human being. And what is that? Na rupe gune. In this material world, young boy, young girl, they also attracted to each other with their rupa madhurya or rupa and gun qualities and activities. In the same way, in transcendental world and in Golo, only Golok Vrindavan, they also attracted to each other's uh, roop and gun. So Krishna saying, Amiyo najani najane gopi gon duha rupe gune and both we also attracted with others with what roop and guna. Roop means quality, roop means good form, or guna means quality. So this is called the perfect Manav Leela. A Ramchandra or others incarnation, they are a human being Leela something, but most of the they are Bhagavat type, supremacy manifested. This is the difference. वो स्वजातीय actually स्वगत स्वजातीय but भेद रहित. That means all the incarnation of Krishna and non-different from each other. So swagato, swajatiyo, vijatiyo, vijatiyo which is opposed about Bhagavan, from Bhagavan, that is called Maya. But how would you reconcile this is also non-difference. That time give an example. ये शक्ति शक्ति मानो दयो अभेद. Because there are no difference and Sakti and Shaktiman. Krishna's three Sakti is very important. One is Chit Sakti, Jeev Sakti, and Maya Sakti. And so Maya Sakti, here is just also taking this Maya Sakti, also Krishna Sakti. So now coming is question is coming. Where Krishna, there is no Maya. Jahan Krishna taha nahi Maya adhikar. Krishna Surya Samo Maya adhikar. Jahan Krishna taha nahi Maya adhikar. Krishna is as like as like delightful sun, Prakashman sun. Where is sun, there is no darkness. So here the example, Krishna is as like sun, or Maya is as like darkness. Robi Rajani Kuhu Nahi Ek Tham. So how possible sun and darkness staying together? Because here you are saying this way according to Achinta Tattva. Krish Shakti, Shakti Mano, the Aveda, there are no difference between Shakti and Shaktiman. For this regard, this is also called Ved Rahit. Just give an example. In our bodies, two things also staying their body is useless also. That is called our nails and our hair. And if you cut your nail, you are not feeling any pain. If you cut your hair, also you are not feeling any pain. Why? But this nails and also hair, when staying your body, that is increasing. Growing or not? Growing. They will grow. But when you cut, not feeling any pain and not also growing, separate from the body, not growing. So that means in the same way, though Maya staying with Krishna and Sakti Saktiman, that is called also Bhed Rahit, they are different. Maybe this example not complete. Giving another example, Yatha Urno Nabha. Urno Nabha means that is called spider. Spider also makes the what is called wig, and with his own saliva. And sometimes when he's making the waves with his own saliva, and when falling down, and that the strength of saliva also falling down. And then he also swallow the saliva, saliva the waves and inside his mouth, and again coming and again also eh, making the waves. In the same way, Maya is staying with Krishna, eh, but but Krishna cannot touch to Maya. Harihi nirguna saksat, harihi nirguna sata, purusa pravita parehe. In Bhagavad also explained, Sri Hari Bhagavan, he is completely far from Maya. Hari Nirguna, and he is called Nirgun. He is beyond of all the three modes of Maya. Hari Nirguna Sata. Now coming here, why you are saying this thing? Because here Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada explain the material philosophers and transcendental philosophers, Apragita Darshanic or Jada Darshanic. Here Siddha Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada use this word, Jada Darshanic Sampradaya. And they cannot understand this philosophy. And so for this regard, Baul Sampradaya, they wrote this Vivarta Vilas Grantha or Apragito Prem Vilas Grantha, and that is called Prem Vivarta Grantha, and Rayananda Prem Vilas Vivarta Grantha, that is called transcendental philosophy. And because everything is also depends on the of Achinta Shakti. Achinta Kholuje Bhava Tangs Tarke no Dujjat Prakriti Paribhasa Achinta Sadakshana. Achinta means is what? Which was beyond of our material conception. And that conception completely depends on Krishna's mercy, Krishna Kripa. Without Krishna Kripa, no one can understand this Achinta, Bhed and Abhed Tattva. For this regard, Mahaprabhu also established Achinta, Bhedabhed Tattva Siddhanta. Eh? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested this Siddhanta conclusion that is called Achinta, Bheda, Abheda, Tattva Siddhanta. The difference and non-difference also there. So here is Prema Vaichitta Antargat. Here के मोदनाक को महाभाव, अधूरा महाभाव, Prema Vaichitta Vilas and Vilas Vivarta, and but those who are Prakita Sahajya, they cannot understand. And so for this regard, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he told to Rai Ramananda, and you have Krishna and Radha Krishna's prem increasing, and I want to listen more. That time he has to saying this verse. ऐसे कि ये सब प्रेम काहिनी कानू ठामे कहीं भी बिछुड़ ल जान ना खोजिनु दुती ना खोजिनु आन दुहों के मिलने मध्य पांच बाण. And how and love and beloved, they also attracted to each other. That is called with the and Cupid, transcendental Cupid 5 arrows. And transcendental 5 arrows. That is called Mohan. What is the 5? That is attracted to each other. And Maran, Uchatan, and Sanmohan. In this way, 5 Anangavan. So this is called the Viched and Adhiruda Mahabhav. Viched means separate. At the time of Adhiruda Mahabhav, and that time distance of they are feeling separation to each other. But when Madanakko Mahabhav, then no Viprambha Madanakko Mahabhav. Our, our Vishwanath Chakravarti Pal explain eh, in Madanakko Mahabhav actually there are no separation, but they are by Jogmaya then feeling each other's to separation. eh. अर्थात just jogmaya at the time of vipralambha, separation, that's the stimulation, spurti is coming to each others, to meeting to each other. And so Srimati Radhika, she told her one Sakhi, and this prem vilas vivarta, and अर्थात meeting and separation and meeting. मिलन में विरह, विरह में मिलन, और मिलन में विरह, विरह में मिलन. Meeting in separation, separation in meeting. So how to do these things? That is called transcendental world. But those who are prakritya sahajya, they can understand this philosophy. They are given example. Here in this material world, just I also told, Brahm means illusion, which is not true. We are thinking true. Just before he gave example about this sarpa mein rojju bham, rojju mein sarpa bham. The illusion is coming. This is not the rope. We are thinking this is snake, but this is not snake. But we are thinking this is rope. That is called the Brahmbad. Because conditioned soul has four defects: Brahm, Praman, Viparipsa, and Karanapata. Brahm means illusion. Pramad means which is not true. But we are also attached to each other. Just as like or Brahm Praman, Vipralipsa, that is teaching, is cheating propensity. Brahm Praman, Karanapata of all the imperfect senses. But in transcendental world, there are no these four types of defects. So here also explain Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada. But in transcendental world, sometimes these types of Brahm, that is called one kinds of Anubhav or Prema. Mahabhav, Udhruda Mahabhav, one kinds of Anubhav. What is that? That means Srimati Radhika, when she to meet with her beloved Krishna, and that time in the midnight, she's looking, Kamalri, they're thinking this is Krishna. And Krishna himself told, Kamaler Brahme Radha Amai Kare Alingan. Srimati Radhika, sometimes she also embraced the tamal trees, because tamal trees blackish, Krishna also blackish. So for this regard, Srimati Radhika sometimes she embraced to tamal tree, and she's thinking, I am just. And sometimes Krishna also afraid from the tamal tree and thinking to, and I am staying there. Just give an example. One Srimati Radhika, she is going to meet with her beloved Krishna, with Roti Manjari or something. And the one place, just Krishna, and he just raised his two hands. Then Srimati Radhika, she is thinking, maybe this is Tamal tree. Look this thing. Another hand, also, once Srimati Radhika, she is going with her Sakhis to meet with her beloved Krishna. Where is tamal trees, but Krishna is thinking, Srimati Radhika is thinking, this is Krishna. So here you are saying is ama bhrame tamal kore alingan. This is called this is also called Krishna Brahm Jani. This is called Vivarta Bhav Adhyuda Dasa Maha Vivarta Bhav. Material Brahm, material illusion, a transcendental illusion, and completely different. And so here also explain this way. ये सब कथा ना खोजनी दूती ना खोजनु आन दुहों के मिलने मध्य पांच बान ये सब रोही विराग तू भेली दूती सपुर को प्रेम ओई छे कोई न रीति so what when we are meet each others how Krishna he forgets or these types of prem and so now I mean this is called Advaya Gyan Paratattva. Advaya Gyan Paratattva. Also explained in this way. Here also before you also explain there are no difference between Shakti and Shaktiman. वस्तु परिचय दुर्गम किंतु शक्ति शक्तिमान के अभिन्न ज्ञाने शक्ति परिचय वस्तु विज्ञता जहारा शक्ति वस्तु के भेद करिया रमन रमणी वस्तु द्वारा कल्पना करें ताहा दिगेर विचारे रामदेव उक्ति जड़ शक्तिमान ओ जड़ शक्ति भेदे निरासन कारिणी मात्र यार भक्ति सिद्धांत प्रभुपाद in his commentary Anubhasya explained जे नासो रमन नाहम रमणी दुह पेशल एकल जानी that is called the Adhiruda Mahabhav stage. And this is also good. This thing Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested. That is called Achinta Vedayat Tattva. So sometimes, सर सबंधी गौड़ीय वेदांता जी अचिंत वेदावेद बोले स्वीकार करें अचिंत वेदावेद विचार करते गया sometimes the Baul Sampradaya and they also told the story and if you put the oil tailor and your whole body and you and put mud, your body, the mud cannot touch your body. And in India, one kind of fish, that fish name is called pakal mach. Pakal mach. Pakal means that types of fish staying in the mud, and their body is very smooth, and that the mud cannot touch their body. So for this regard, Prakita Sahajya, they give this example. But this example is completely what? Stupid nonsense, rascal. Because they are saying if you enjoy the sense gratification with the unmarried lady, you will not contaminate it. They are saying this one. They are giving this example. So they are giving example. What kinds of fish? क्या बोला? Pakal mach. Pakal mach means one kind of fish. Their body is completely very smooth. Their mud cannot touch their body. Here Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada also giving this example. ये तैल मक्षित देहे गंगा स्नान गल्पटी उल्लेख करें जड़ जगते विवर्त उदाहरण द्वारा ভেদাভেদ তত্ত্ব জানিতে পারা যায় না। শক্তি শক্তিমত্তের অভেদ প্রতিবাদের বিষয়ে আশ্রয়ের জন্য উদ্দীপন ও আশ্রয়ের বিষয় উদ্দীপন ও আশ্রয়ের বিষয়ের জন্য উদ্দীপনটি সুষ্ঠুভাবে বুঝবার জন্য রামানন্দ গীত परस्पर अच्छा प्रेम actually coming from Visay and Ashray. Krishna is called Mool Visay Vigraha. Akar Visay Vigraha, that is called Krishna. Krishna is called the origin and supreme enjoyer. And except Krishna, all they are called enjoyee. Ashray Tattva. When Ashray and Visay meeting together, that time Prem manifests. And Prem coming from when Ashray and Visay. And Ashray Tattva and Visay Tattva. Krishna is called Vishay Tattva. He is the object of the divine love. Krishna is called Vishay Tattva. Except Krishna, all they are called Ashray Tattva, that is called the shelter of divine love. Then Rasa Tattva, according to the transcendental Rasa Tattva, depend on two things. One is called Visay and Ashray. When they meeting together, that time transcendental love is manifested. Our Sahajya Sakhi Bhakis, they are also enjoying the sense gratification with the others lady, unmarried lady. And that is complete sense gratification. Why? Because when two jivas meeting together, cannot manifest the prem. Because jiva tattva is called also Ashray tattva. So for this regard, our Shastra Siddhanta explains this way: Akela Purush Krishna are sab bhritta, jare joiche nachay, joiche kare nritta. Akela Purush, here Purush means supreme enjoyer. And bhritta means that is called enjoyee, enjoyer and enjoyee. So Krishna is called supreme enjoyer. Except even Srimati Radhika, she is also called Ashray Tattva. So when Visay and Ashray meeting together, that time Prem manifests. And Sahajya, Prakita Sahajya, when they are meeting with unmarried lady and enjoying sense gratification, that Prem cannot manifest. Because both are called that time Ashray Tattva. So Ashray Tattva and Ashray Tattva and meeting together cannot create the love. Love always depends on two things. That is called Visay and Ashray. So further Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada explained this way. And when Prem also how to manifest, then again actually when first five have coming. When heart is completely neat and clean, free from all kinds of material sense gratification. Shuddha Sattva, Visheshatma, Prema, Suddham Sambhavaka, Ruchi Vichitta Smarsena Kridasu Bhava Uchyate. One's heart completely free from all kinds of material sense gratification. And his heart is as like, what is it called? Crystal. And crystal. And on the platform of Sandhini, then Sambit and Radhini manifest. That is called the place. And on the platform of Sandhini, then Sambit and Radhini is coming. That love is coming this way. And so when the Prakita Sahajya, the material and lover and beloved meeting together, how possible Prem will manifest? So Bhakti Siddhanta Srila Prabhupada, first he also cut the Baul Sampradayas, this Granthas, and Prem. That is called Baul Sampradaya Grantha, that is called Vivarta Vilas. Always remember three Granthas. One is called Baul Sampradayas and Bhakta Das Baul Krita, Vivarta Vilas Grantha, Jagadananda Grantha is Prem Vivarta, Raya Ramananda, Prem Vilas Vivarta. Three Granthas. But Sahajya Sakhi Bhakti that the Grantha, Prem Vivarta Vilas Grantha, that is completely what? Useless. And because when material Raman and Ramani meeting together cannot manifest the Prem. And only they are using this word that is called Ahangrovasana. And Sahajya, that is called Ahangrovasana. And what is the Ahangrovasana? I am Lalita Sati. I am Nanda Maharaj. This is called Ahangro Upasana also. But same Mayavad philosophy is coming, Advaitavad is coming. And because no one can become and Lalita Visakha. No one can become Nanda and Yashoda. And because sometimes Sahajya Sukhi Dheti, and they are thinking, I am Lalita. And you cannot become Lalita. Lalita, who is Lalita Devi? And Srimati Radhika herself manifested in the form of Lalita. So Srimati Radhika, though she can fulfill all the desires of Krishna, but without many consort, Krishna will not happy. For the regard Krishna's happiness, Krishna's Sukh Hetu, Srimati Radhika manifest many forms, and Ashtasakhi, Manjari Sakhi in this way. So those are Maya, what is called? Babaji, Sahajya, they are thinking, I am Lalita, that is called Aham Rupasana also. Actually, this is also is called Mayavad philosophy. And here also explain, Aham Rupasana Chin Matravadir Mudhata Chit Vilaser Viparit Matra. অধ্যায় জ্ঞান বস্তুকে আশ্রয় জাতীয় ভাবের অভাব আছে বলিয়া তারা বিবেচনা করেন, তাহাদের জন্যই গুরুকৃষ্ণ উদার্য প্রতিষ্ঠিত কৃষ্ণের নিত্য গৌলীলা প্রপঞ্চে অবতরণ। চৈতন্য মহাপ্রভু, he descended from Golok Vrindavan. Who is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Saint Krishna. Saint Krishna himself manifested from Golok Vrindavan in the form of Sachinandan Gaurhari. So for this again Chaitanya Chaitamritam Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami very clearly also explain these things also. राधा कृष्ण प्रणय विकृति भादिनी शक्ति स्मत स्वरूप दामोदर कोर्चा राधा कृष्ण प्रणय विकृति भादिनी शक्ति स्मत एका आत्मना भूपी भूवि पुरा देह भेदं गतौ तु चैतन्यख प्रकटं अधुना तद्वयं तद्वयं चैक्य आप्तं राधा भाव दुति सुबलित नौमी कृष्ण स्वरूपम. Who is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Na Radha Krishna Pranay Vikriti Radhini Shakti. Radhini Shakti Sarvati Srimati Radhika with her pranay. And now Radha Krishna manifested in the form of Sachinandan Gaur Hari. So Radha Krishna Pranay Vikriti Radhini Shakti Smart. एका आत्मना ओपि भुवि बभु देह भेदं गतौ तौ. And there are no difference between their body and mind. That is called pranay. Arthat Radha Krishna pranay now manifested in the form of Sachinandan Gaur Hari. So now Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that is called Radha Bhava Duti Subolito Nomi Krishna Sarupam. I pay my obeisances to Krishna Sarup. Now, Saint Krishna, who told Srimati Radhika's Bhav and Kanti and manifested in the form of Sachinandan and Gauri. So, those were other is called Gaur Nagarikatavad. Sambhogvadi Gaur Nagarikatavad. They cannot understand this philosophy. So for this regard, in this verse, Lord Rayananda, he also explained Pahile Prathama Raga. Prathama Raga means First rag means Purvarag. Purvarag, Man, Prabhas and Prema Boichitta. This is called Vipralambha. Three, four stages. Purvarag, Man, Prabhas and Prema Boichitta. What is the Purvarag? Ratirja Sangamat Purvam Darshana Savanadhi Tayorumlitam Pragmo Purvaraga Sauchati. Before meeting Lava and Bilava, when they are very eager to feeling how to meet to each other, and that can finish separation from each other. Ratirja Sangamat Purvam Darshana Savanadhi Toiron Militam Pragvi Purvaraga Suchati. मिलने एक दूसरे के प्रति अत्यंत प्रगाढ़ आसक्ति होने के नाते ये मिलन नहीं हेतु हृदय में जो क्रिया आदि होते हैं उसके पूर्वराग कहते हैं। इसके कहते हैं पूर्वराग रतिर्जा संगमात पूर्वं दर्शन श्रवणादिया तरुण मिलित राग पूर्वराग। एक दूसरे के साथ मिलन के लिए ये प्रगाढ़ अनुराग हृदय में होता है। How they are meeting together. There you go. So here Rai Ramananda is saying this. How our Purvarag, I mean, परस्पर दर्शन विनिमय नयन भंगिते अर्थात अपांग दर्शन परस्पर चित्त वृत्ति समझ इंगिते अनुदिन बाढ़ here also explain this how the prem is increasing in the heart of the heroine. First that is called darshan, nayan bhang, nayan priti. Nayan priti means the love is coming from the sidelong gland. Nayan priti. Then chintan. Chintan means remembering to each other. In this way, there are many stages in there. Here also, that is called Latir Lalsa, Udveg, Jagar, Tanab, Umata, Dagrada, Vyadhi, Unmat, Moho, and Mrityu. Chinta. First, that is called Nayan Milan. Then Chinta. Chinta means thinking to each other how to meet together. Then Jagar. Jagar means they cannot sleep, sleeplessness. Udveg, so much anxiety and anxiety is coming. Then Molitanga, then their bodies look like and Molin, because they are not eating, sleeping, and for this look like also little bit darkness will come. Molinangata, Pralap. Pralap, sometimes so speaking and not completely what is speaking, no one can understand. Vyadhi, sometimes there is also sickness coming. Unmad, Unmad means madness coming. Then coming Moho. Moho means so much affection, attachment is coming. Moho. Then coming, that is called Mrityu Dasha. But transcendental world, death, there is no word of death. That is called pain. Sri Das Dasa. Different roti, Samartha roti, Samanjasa roti, and Sadharan roti. So, but different roti, different friends, these types of activities also here explained in this way. Here also explained in Sadharan rati, 16 types of Paura Samanjasa Sambila, and 16 types of symptoms also manifest in the heart. And a Samanjasa rati, 6 types, or Samartharati, how many? क्या बोला? 10. 10 types. Understand? So said the Nasuram, Rahum, Ramani, Dwam Kesala Ekala Jani. And so in this way, and Sai Ramananda, when he sang this song, then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and covered his mouth with his hand. And so here also saying Nakujli Duti. Duti means called a messenger or middleman. And here also explained this way, when Naika and Naika meeting together in the middle, that one middleman is coming. According to the Vedic culture, middleman coming. But yes, in the transcendental world, there is no need middleman. So Srimati Radhika, she told, Na khujlu duti, na khujlu an. Duti, there are two kinds of duti. Duti means messenger. One is called Apta Duti, and another is called Swayam Duti. Swayam Duti, that is called Kataksha. Kataksha means sidelong glance. Or another is called Vamsidhani, sweet melodious sound of flute. That is called, this is called Swayam Duti. Apta Duti, who is there? Bira, Brinda, that is called Apta Duti. And also another Duti also explained, Silpakarni, Daivagga, Lingini, Praviti, and also their name is also mentioned in our Shastra. But Radha Krishna, they are meeting together, and there are no any kinds of messenger or middleman. They attract to each other. How? That with the Rup, Ras, Shabda, Gandha, Sparsha, that is called 5 arrows of transcendental cupid. Aprakita Kamdev ki, yes, Rup, Ras, Shabda, Gandha, Sparsha. And there is also different two things. One is called material Kamdev, Prakita Kamdev, and transcendental Kamdev. Who is original transcendental Kamdev? Krishna. Vrindavane, Aprakita, Navina, Madan, Kam Gati, Kam Vijay, Jahar Upasan. In the transcendental world, transcendental people, the Krishna himself. We are chanting the Kam Gayatri mantra. Pushpa Banaya Dhimahi. Pushpa Banaya. Carry Pushpa, 5 of Pushpa Ban. The Pushpa Ban, the arrows have like flowers. And so here also in this way, maybe next class we will discuss these things also. Very important. After the Swayam Sadharan Duti, but Radha and Krishna, they are also meeting together without any kinds of messenger or duty. Understand? Krishna himself told, Amar Gandhe. Krishna says, Amar Gandhe Tribhuvan Amodita hai. Krishna says, with my the fragrance of body fragrance, whole world complete we are intoxicated. But when I just taking some fragrance from the Srimati Radhika's body, I cannot control myself. And Chaitanya Charitamrita Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also says. And this thing called Prabhupada Saraswati Pad explains, Jassa Kadapi Basalan Chalkhanot Sadhan Dhanati Dhanna Pavarna Kitartaman Gendra Durgamati Madhusudana Opi Tassastu Namo Visavanu Bhudisopi. Jassa Kadapi Basanantan Kirinatya Dhanna Dhanna Pavarna Kitartamani Jagendra Durgam Gati Madhusudana Tassastu Visavanu Bhudisopi. The purport of this verse, what we say, what kinds of sweet fragrance and manifested from the body of Srimati Radhika, Krishna completely what? Intoxicated. Eh? For this regard, Krishna is saying, very humble, Hey Pavande Vayu Devata, you are very fortunate because you are playing with the cloth of Srimati Radhika, and also you are bringing the sweet fragrance, the body of Srimati Radhika, which flows from her sari, her cloth. Eh? So my life is successful. This is so explains you what can so in Chaitanya Charitamrita Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also explain. Ye Mamar Gandhe, Tribhuvan Amodita. But when I little bit taking the sweet fragrance from the body of Srimati Radhika, then I completely was intoxicated. So which body fragrance is higher? Srimati Radhika. So maybe next class we also discuss these things. Gaur Premanandi Hari Hari Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal Ki Jai 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 Sri Radhe.
हमारे प्रकाशात्मा प्रभु बात करेंगे, चैतन्य महाप्रभु शेयर किया, प्रकाशात्मा प्रभु भी बात करेंगे।
अच्छा अच्छा हाँ okay
So
I
what
just also want to listen from your lotus mouth why we also shaved our head in the middle of the Chaturmasra. But in Chaitanya Charitamrita, Chaitanya Bhagavad did not mention, not mention Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and shaved his head. But according in our Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada, we also in middle of this Chaturmasra we shaved our head. Why? So I want to listen this philosophy from you. I like your philosophy, Vedanta, everything. So if you kindly tell to me, then I will be happy.
Well, I have, I don't have much to say. It's just, it's not written in Chaitanya Charitamrita that he shaved his head, but it is believed that he did so because he went to South India to look for his lost brother. He heard Vishwarup was in South India, and then he learned that he passed away, that his brother passed away. So he shaved his head on his occasion. And so the Vaishnav, the Brahmachari, Sannyasis, they shave their head also in the midst of Chaturmasya because Mahaprabhu did. So this is a tradition. His brother left in Pandharpur. And some other devotees are saying that actually Vishwarup Mahotsava, it's when Vishwarup, the younger brother of Mahaprabhu, he took sannyas at the age of 16. Then some other devotees are saying that actually both incidents occur the same day, but not the same year, that he took sannyas on that day and he left this world also on that day another year. But this is not completely clear, but all I gathered from Prabhupada and other Vaishnava is that the shaving of the head in midst of Chaturmasyas is because we're following Mahaprabhu. He did this in honor of his departed brother. That's all I know, Maharaj. That's all I know about this. And my head
okay,
is not
thank you. Nice, beautiful this explanation. This is no need to. See, this is not the saying. But here also Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, Chaitanya Bhagavad also explained 2 days before Vishwarup Kaura, because Advaita Ekadandi Sannyas Sampradaya, they also shaved their head and every twice
a month
in Chatur. But 2 days before Chatur, 2 days before this Vishwarup Kaura, that is one Kaura's name is called also Vishwarup Kaura. And that is Chaitanya Charitamrita also. So 2 days before Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he disappeared. No one can know where he has gone. And because all that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, though he was staying in the house of Chandrasekhar, but but everybody is know he is staying in the temple of Ramchandra, Madhavendra Puripad disciples. And but this Ramchandra, and his mind always also leaning towards Advaitavadi. But for this regard, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he did not like to stay there. But just only people are saying, oh, he is sannyasi, he is staying in the temple of Ramchandra. Ramchandra, no? But actually, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was staying in the house of Chandrasekhar. Eh? But day before, 2 days before, they are Advaitavadis by Ekadandi Sampradayas, and according to their rules and regulation of they save their head, and that time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu disappear. No and no Johari Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. This is also mentioned in Chaitanya Bhagavat. Or Chaitanya Charitamritam also, when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu meet with Srirangam, and I think he met with and Rangapuri, and that time he also heard from him his brother and elder brother, and he also took sannyas. His name is called Sankararanya. Then he left this place on the bank of the river of Bhima Nadi. This thing also. So this question is coming. Many devotees, many ways they also asking many questions, and many they also their opinion. So I want to listen from you. Thank you for your kindness to give very nice, beautiful.
Thank you, Maharaj.
I also appreciate, and I give respect always you. You are
When
very
are you
nice.
coming?
And
When are you coming, Maharaj?
pardon? When Krishna will arrange, I don't know when Indian government will give permission. I don't know.
Yeah.
Because now everything is in lockdown. I think Indian government not giving the permission. Indian passport holder go out from from India. I don't know when government will give the permission, because all my what is called and visa, most of the my visa that is called the tourist visa, and some visa also the working visa, or some visa also business visa. But most of the European countries, my visa that is called that tourist visa. So I think if I want to go in, then we have to give so many papers need. Okay, I will see how will meet with you. I'm very eager to meet all with you. I want to listen more and more Harikatha from your from you. All you are very qualified. Many years you also associate with Prabhupada, and also always absorbed in Grantha. So I'm very eager to meet with you and to listen Harikatha. You and also our very nearest and dearest Prabhu. Your best.
Arishtanashana.
Arishtanashana Prabhu. Yeah. I like it. Both you are good, good brothers. And as like Advaita Acharya and Nityananda Prabhu. I like both choir, loving choir. I like it. I want to listen. But yes, I remember always both loving choir. Thank you, Guru. Thank you for your kindness. Give me mercy. Give me one day. I will be to perform bhajan and sadhan, and maybe you will pray to Prabhupada on behalf of me. Then one day maybe I will receive one sprinkle mercy from Prabhupada. Jai Shri Prabhupada ki jai. Jai Nasan Prabhu ki jai. Prakash Atma Prabhu ki jai. Jai Malati Didi ki jai. Dandavad Pranam. Thank you for your kindness.